coming. Do you see her right now? Oh, there he is. Get enough shots you can. Subscribe, baby, will peel us. Go back up to me. Phew, we're safe. Do you remember my name? My name is Blue and Red Bitter Giggle. You know, that was strange. Is she still alive? Yes, she is still alive. Perhaps I'm with her, but... Alright, we wake up here. That strange thing of Baby Opia happened. Oh no, my friend's already scary. Well, anyways, Sheriff now took Baby Opia to the doctor because strange things has happened to him. Wait, we wake up here, right? Why did Baby Opia get scary? Yeah, I read it. Sheriff is bringing Baby Opia to the doctor. Well, that's great. Already great about me, also. I'm just by myself. I'm friends of Sheriff, too. Alright, we're in the big wine cabin. As you can see, we can only go on top of it. We can't go inside, but that's great if we can't go inside. Wait, no, don't go without me. Well, anyways, I'm going down with you, so that's safe. At least we're going on the way there. On the way to the park, I'll think about something more. I heard... Oh, this is the bridge, and also it's called the Kingdom. I haven't heard about that before. Well, we're now there, but this is like nothing. Wait, why are you looking out there? Just go and talk to me. What are you waiting for? Well, anyways, I'm just gonna meet with him. Maybe. What's his name? Tell me his name, okay? I'll repeat it. Oh, I read it. His name is Blue and Red Bitter Giggle, okay? But why do we need to go back? Well, because we have to go back. Because I just haven't met him before. Blue and Red Bitter Giggle. Because he was an imaginary friend of mine. Wait, someone's on the ceiling. It's Blue and Red Bitter Giggle. I knew it is. Walking to the stop sign. There's nothing more. I like Blue and Red Bitter Giggle. I'll meet him. He'll go on top of the big wine cabin. Alright, we're on top of the big wine cabin now. Alright, let's think about something. What do you want to think about? Well, some more things. Yep, last time was a horrible thing. A horrible day. Yeah, it just was a horrible day. Wait, talk to us. We didn't forget, did we? We forgot just our own jokes. My name is Tartar. And my name is Blue and Red Bear Giggle. Well, don't forget. Forget it. There's another door. It'll just lead us straight to the jail cells. Are you sure? Whoa, look at this cool place. Nope, baby tartar bird. Can't see all of this. Wait, Celine's back too. And also shows Bambian's back. Look at all this blue and red, bear giggle. Yeah, I see that. And said there's nobody in these jail cells. They're locked. Perhaps they are locked. Yeah, you're right. Alright, blue and red, bear giggle. We're almost done anyways. Yap, tartar. Those jail cells are so locked up. They almost couldn't do anything. And now we're saying something silly, huh? Want to joke about this? Yeah.